Sending photos in messages on your iPhone is a simple and quick way to share moments with friends and family. Whether you want to send a picture you just took or one from your gallery, here is how to do it. Method 1. Send photos from the Message app. Open the Messages app. Select the conversation you want to send a photo in. Tap the plus icon. From here, tap the Photos icon. Browse through your photos or tap All Photos to view your entire photo library. Tap the photo you want to send, then tap the Send button, blue arrow. You select one or multiple pictures. Method 2. Send photos from the Photos app. Open the Photos app. Find and select the photo you want to send. Tap the Share button. In the sharing options, tap Messages. Tap the plus icon. Choose the contact you want to send the photo to, then tap the Send button. By following these steps, you can easily send photos through the Messages app on your iPhone. Still have any questions to ask? Please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.